So here we are, people. Welcome back to ijdm as we revisit the Anycast system laptop editor with just, we'll just bend this down. Look at all that. I mean, that's everything. And we're just gonna do this guerrilla style because this is just a quick take. And yeah, this is the unit. This is what it is. And I'm gonna explain for a minute where we're at with this. And we will power this up because this is all I get. From my understanding and every research piece I did, this is about all I'm gonna get out of it because I cannot connect any type of cameras or do anything fun with it and just explore all these. I know it's dark in here, but I do these videos sometimes late at night, like all these buttons and all this craziness. It's not going to happen until I have the actual operating system for this machine. And like complete imbeciles, most people actually totally remove the hard drive, which I know it stores some videos. We could have just deleted those. I mean, stop that. I mean, if you have an Anycast system and you're a recycling company or whatever, just leave it alone. Just wipe out, go in, take off whatever videos on there. Don't mess with it because these systems are still reliable. People actually still use these, and there's actually a following on them that I did not realize. Now, here's the thing. I was offered a option from a viewer, and I greatly appreciate it, but I know how people are very busy and things happen that they just can't get to giving me the clone of their operating system right away, but they suggested using an SD card option, which is exactly what I did. And I actually did, go in the bottom of the unit. I put in the, oh, well, no, I can't do that because I have that hatch on the back. And that's how we roll here on ijdm. Sometimes we just kind of do stuff. It doesn't make much sense. Yeah, well, there we go. Oh man, this thing is a heavy beast. But there's a portal there, and well, let's just roll with this. I'm getting my toolkit out, and I'm going to open this just to show you what I've done with it so far. But I actually have been working on this for any of you fans of, and I've got to actually surprise the viewership on this unit because I didn't really think anybody would care about it or whatever. The fact that it's hard to find the HD cards, but I do have the adapter. It arrived. I got it. It's in there. I just need to put the card in. It's all I need. Just get this thing operating. So I'm gonna. This is gonna be a quick take, and my whole point is, somebody please let me know, and I'd be happy to pay for the SD card and pay for the whatever, a little bit of time or whatever, sending it out and the postage. Just I want this card. And the one guy offered to me, thank you, I appreciate that greatly, but like I sometimes need to finish these videos and finish off the projects of what they are and what I'm doing, because I can't let this stuff sit forever, and I have very limited space. Someday maybe I'll show a little brief tutorial of what my house is. It's less than 1,400 square feet, just to give you an idea of what I'm dealing with here and what I have. And I make use of all the space I can, but this unit is a big, as my brother-in-law would say, honking unit, and it's not the smallest thing in the world. But I'd love to give a great demo on what it actually is capable of and what it can do and what it did back in the day. And then maybe later on, maybe it'll be time to let it go. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. And even then, I would like to just see that there's a clone of the hard drive of the operating system that somebody could actually do, that other people that get these systems could actually rebuild them. And I can give a clear video on how to actually do this and how to get them set back up again and get them running. Because these units, I mean, there was problems with conversions and hard drives and stuff like that, but these were very cool. And I'm gonna back the camera up just one more time. Here we go. Whoa, well, somewhere in there. But yeah, I mean, just awesome. I mean, a keyboard, you can punch with it. I mean, even the keyboard was like wireless. I mean, it's just such a cool unit. I really want to feature this. So my call out right now is anybody that has the operating system, and I can tell you how to clone it. It's very easy. It's not going to harm your hard drive at all. I just want a copy of the hard drive. And please, if you do have anything on there that you recorded or was on there before, remove it before you send it to me. But even then, I would remove it because I'm respectful of personal privacy. But that is it for this ijdm. It is a quick take, and it's just a call out because, and again, I do appreciate the person that offered, but I'm just getting tired of waiting, and I'm sure a lot of you are too, because maybe it's time to finish this whole thing out and realize what the power was of this gigantic freaking laptop machine that was the Sony Anycast. We'll see you next time.